A beautiful and simple salad. Radicchio and orange, very Sicilian, the orange. Radicchio is very North Italian. Put them together and you got all of Italy. So radicchio is in the chicory family. There's different kinds of radicchio. I think most of you are used to this, the red radicchio, the Radicchio Trevisano. This is Rosa di Castelfranco, which means the Rose of Castelfranco, which is a city. It's beautiful. They're all in the Radicchio family. So let's, you pick out if there are any bad leaves, but here it seems like they're all okay. And, working around it like this now, if you don't want to use it all, you can save this in a plastic bag in the refrigerator, and we'll keep up to a week, no problem. Okay, shreds of that. Let's take the Trevisano. Again, usually you just look around if there's any kind of dark pieces, you throw it out, otherwise it is fine. Cut it on a bias just to make it a little bit different. Okay. And the chioggia, this is the Radicchio di Chioggia. Just cut out the core, and then you cut it in shreds just like the other. Okay, to this we will add some oranges and supreme the oranges like this, which is very, very simple. You just kind of cut both sides off and you sort of just kind of go around. And you see you have the segments here, the separation. You just go in on one side and in on the other and then you have to work your way around, leaving the skin behind and taking the segment. Got it all. Let's use the juice here. We'll throw the oranges right in, just like that. We'll make the dressing. Let's use the orange juice, a little bit of the lemon. Let's just roll it a little bit to break sort of all the pockets where the juice is stored. And this way we'll get the juice right out. Okay. We'll put some mustard right in here. Just like that. Just a little bit of salt here, and then I like a little bit of salt here. Not so much because we will add the cured black olives, just like that. This really adds flavor, intensity. A little bit of oil. Usually the acidity is 1/3 versus 2/3 of the oil. But here we have kind of mild acidity because we have the orange juice, so it's not so intense. And some radishes to add color. And, you can do a mandolin like this, just be careful. The mandolins usually have the little hold that you pinch, and use that by all means. Don't go down too deep. I know you want to use it. We can cut the rest with a knife. Okay. So, we don't want to waste those either. Okay. Here we are. All of this into the salad. Now, you can see how colorful, how crunchy all these textures are. So I put the salt in there. I'm thinking, let me put a little bit of pepper. I would like that in there. Let's put the dressing. Let's collect all. And let's toss it. Okay, let me taste. Always taste. I tell you all the time, taste so you know where you're at. Strangely enough, it's perfect. Love it. All right. So how do we like this masterpiece? Let me taste this. Let me taste an olive. Delizioso, complex, sweet, bitter. It has a lot of things going on. It's telling me a lot of things. So beautiful, whether for a big family gathering, a banquet table, a lunch or whatever. Beautiful presentation and easy to make.